Okay, let's do letter B. So the highest exponent that I see, or the highest degree that I see, is 2. So we'll start with 4x squared. And is there anything else that I see with an x squared? Oh yes, there is, that 3x squared. Now both the 4 and the 3 are positive, so we're going to add those together and we're going to get 7x squared. And then the next one in line would be this 2x, because after x squared we go to the x to the first. And we do actually have a like term in our binomial over here. We have that positive 6x. So we're going to take 2x and add it to 6x, and that's going to give me 8x. Not 8x squared, which is why we learned properties of exponents last week, but just 8x. And then whatever's left over that does not have a like term just gets written at the bottom. So -3 at the end. And there is my answer in standard form. Now it is your turn to try it.